life on Earth. Life exists in rich abundance on Earth. You will find life in deep oceans. You will find life in high temperature volcanoes. You will find life in dry deserts. You will find life everywhere on Earth. Scientists have discovered almost 2 million species. Species are groups of living organisms that share common characteristics and can breed with each other. These are divided into 5 kingdoms: plants, animals, bacteria, fungi, single cell organisms called protists. These all share common characteristics of life. All living organisms need food. They digest it and get energy for their movement and other functions of their body. Living organisms need food to maintain, repair, and for growth of their body. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivorous, such as tiger. Animals that eat plants are called herbivorous, such as goat. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous, such as we humans. Plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. Fungi depends upon the decaying matter of living organisms, plants and animals. Movement. Living organisms are capable of movement. They can move parts of their body or entire body. Animals can move from one place to other place, whereas plants are rooted at one place. But their roots grow in different directions. Their flowers can open and close. Even some plants can trap insects. Respiration. Respiration is a chemical process in which energy is released from the food substances in all living cells. It can be aerobic or anaerobic. It is aerobic in the presence of oxygen. It is anaerobic in the absence of oxygen. Animals respire aerobically. Land animals get oxygen from air, and the water animals get oxygen from water. Oxygen is exchanged in the lungs of land animals, a fish's gills, an insect's tracheae with carbon dioxide, which is waste product of respiration. Reproduction. All living organisms reproduce to create offsprings, which are new individuals of their species. These offsprings grow and further reproduce. This is how life has sustained itself. Some organisms may reproduce sexually and some asexually. Bacteria, some plants and other creatures reproduce asexually. Bacteria reproduces asexually by the process of binary fission. In this process, one bacterial cell divides into 2 new cells. Both are genetically identical to parent cell. Sexual reproduction involves 2 parents, male and female, to produce offsprings, and offsprings share traits of both parents. Growth. Plants, animals, and all living organisms are capable of growth. They use food to make their body. They create new cells and increase their body size. Animals grow from youngs to adults. Plants grow from seedlings to mature specimens. Responsiveness. All living organisms respond to their environment. Animals may respond to light, heat, sound, and wind. Plants respond to gravity. Their shoots grow upward and roots grow downward. Plants also respond to light by bending towards light sources. The process is called phototropism.